Oh Parmigiana, portami via. Oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. I'm kidding. Hi everyone, so welcome back, and today will be the third episode of the 2020 recipe challenge, and I will be doing Parmigiana. So I do have lots of Italian friends, and honestly I've been cooking a lot of pasta. I've done risotto as well, so I was like thinking I don't know what I could actually do for the Italian recipe, and an Italian friend of mine, my best friend, actually suggested I do the Parmigiana, and that's perfect because it's also vegetarian, and I could do that for some of my vegetarian friends. So it actually involves aubergine, eggplants, and of course tomato sauce. And I think the key ingredient here, or the most important here, is the marinara sauce and how you cook it and as well. So for this recipe I actually tried one with breadcrumbs and also one without, and for me what works really for this recipe and the best taste for me is actually the one without the breadcrumbs, because eventually while it's cooking it actually sogs after. So I don't want that kind of taste because it's like basically wet bread, so it's soggy and I don't really like it. So I'm gonna share with you now my take on Parmigiana. Let's go straight to the video. So for this recipe I'm using two medium-sized eggplants, and as you can see they're very shiny. It's a good quality as well, so make sure that when you choose your eggplants it will be shiny. And of course, to make a Parmigiana you need a red sauce, so I'll be using 1000 grams of sieved tomatoes, and also fresh basil for the sauce itself and the layering of the Parmigiana. And I'll be using one small white or yellow onion and 2 cloves of garlic. And of course we need parmesan cheese, and of course mozzarella.